Polestar is putting a beautiful concept car into production. The Polestar 6 electric Roadster was previewed by the O2 Concept in March. Good news! We'll have to wait to obtain one. Polestar won't release the 6 until 2026. The automobile in these photographs is a rehash. It'll be presented at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance during Monterey Car Week. The two-door hardtop convertible will be driven by an 884 horsepower, all-wheel drive dual-motor system. These figures may seem familiar to anyone who has followed the Swedish brand's recent announcements, including the Polestar 5 Performance 4-door GT. This automobile will share the Polestar SXS electric motors and 800-volt design. Both have a bonded aluminum chassis designed in-house to maximize lightweight and rigidity. Polestar hasn't revealed all of the technical parameters for the upcoming 6 Roadster, but it has published a couple of performance targets. The electric drop-top should hit 155 miles per hour and go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds. The 2026 Polestar 6 will come with a limited production special edition named the LA Concept. 500 copies are planned. Each will have sky blue paint, light leather inside, and 21-inch wheels like the O2 Concept. Polestar is taking bookings for the Roadster. We're thrilled about this.